Keep your hands up. Keep them up. Keep them up.
Step out.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
Step out of the car now.
Step out of the car.
Can you please explain?
Step out of the car.
Step out that window if you don't get out of the car. Sir, what did I do? You're under arrest. Get out of the car.
Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up or you will get shot. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up. Keep your hands up to where I can see them. Hands on the wheel. Hands on the wheel. Get out. Get out of the car.
He's going.
Get out of the car.
Stop the car.
Get out of the car. Watch out, Barry. Watch out, Barry.
Air one, you got it. He's fleeing.
All right, I got you guys coming up behind the white van, correct?
Hey, Brett, he was reaching towards that center console.
Air 2, Air 1, we have the vehicle. If you guys want to break off.
Copy, we're breaking off.
Rear driver is low. Come on, hurry up. That's like it's going down. We're coming over the truck route split here in 30 seconds. All right, the silver one, get ready. Hey, we got stakes. Ready, one. Get ready. Get ready, buddy. This is you. Watch out, watch out. Hey. All right, get the sticks.
Okay, I don't want any units going the wrong way. I don't want 100 units behind this. Just keep K9 and 2 units. Everybody else hang back. Which road? Alright. Just passing Robin Hood.
All right, he's passing the culverts. We're coming up to 92 now. Moderate traffic, heavy traffic. Cutting over to the eastbound lanes, turn lanes, going into opposing traffic, and continuing southbound Woodland through 92. Going southbound and northbound lanes.
All right, guys, let's back off, give it some space, let Air 1 call it. I don't want to keep pushing him any harder.
Still southbound, northbound lanes coming up to Plymouth now. Over the top of the roundabout, still southbound, going into oncoming traffic. We're about a quarter mile out from Kepler now, still eastbound. He's going through the construction, lost control, signal 4 right by the 7-Eleven, signal 4. Stand by.
You're gonna get bit! You're gonna get bit!
Right, he's out, he's walking away from units. He's running towards the 7-Eleven around eastbound M44.
Parking! Parking red! Parking! Parking red! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Do it now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Put your hands on your back!
Central Dock got him, dog bite. Taking 10-12 right now.
Good boy, Red. Parking red. Watch yourself. Good boy, Red. Good boy, Mariana, good boy.